1 in every 3 women will experience a form of sexual abuse before the age of 15, according to the United Nations. The implication of this is that in Nigeria, children, particularly girls, are more vulnerable to sexual abuse.
27% of victims of sexual abuse in Nigeria today are children, ages 0 to 17. It's a frightening figure. 0 to 17. So only 23% are adults.
Unfortunately, the consequences of sexual and gender-based violence are heart-wrenching, as some of the survivors have to live with the trauma for years.
Woman or girl, or even a man and a young boy that have endured a horrific encounter affects the individual first physically, with injuries that may be sustained. Then there's emotional and mental impact.
Nigeria recorded 27,698 cases in the last 3 years, according to the Federal Ministry of Women Affairs, a figure many find alarming. As the fight against sexual and gender-based violence continues to gain momentum in Nigeria, Lagos seems to be at the forefront with the creation of the Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency to prevent and respond to SGBV cases.
Our statutory mandate also provides that we are to provide holistic support to survivors, end-to-end, medical, legal, psychosocial support, rescue where necessary, empowerment. We've had calls to relocate survivors from the environment where the issue occurred, and of course access to justice.
Despite interventions by both government and non-governmental organizations, the country continues to see a rise in cases, hence the call on religious institutions, legal authorities, traditional rulers, and other critical stakeholders to address SGBV effectively.
In the aspect of spousal relationship, if we discover the man is being terrible, even at times we bring in the law enforcement to help us. The law has its aspects. That woman, that man has a right to live and a right to do what is expected of them.
Sexual gender abuse will soon become a thing of the past because many must have been taken care of in terms of within the ambit of the law.
We are working to ensure that we improve access to justice for women, children, persons with disabilities, victims and survivors of SGBV, which is one of the core mandates of the program.
As gender-based violence increases, it becomes critical to strengthen mechanisms, especially among law enforcement agencies, to protect girls, women and other vulnerable groups. In Lagos, for News Central, I am Omolola Ololade.